Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am talking about the morning. So watch and listen. The time is 7 a.m. in the morning. Today is a Thursday, and outside is sunny. So, today I am going to tell you about my morning routine. The first thing I do is not in the morning. It is in the evening before. The evening before. What do I do? Well, I set my alarm clock. I set my alarm clock for the time I want to wake up. So, on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, the time I set my alarm clock is 6 a.m. But on Saturdays and Sundays, so the weekend, I don't set my alarm clock to 6. No. I set my clock to 8. To 8 a.m. So, in the morning at 6 a.m, my alarm clock goes off. This wakes me up. I go from sleeping to wide awake. After I wake up, I get out of my bed. I get out of my bed and I stretch. I stretch. I do yoga. When I do yoga, I try to touch my toes. I try to touch my toes. After I do yoga, I go for a shower. I go for a shower to wash. I like showers with hot water. But when I have showers with hot water, I feel sleepy or tired. So I turn on the cold tap. I turn the cold tap on and the temperature goes down. Now the water is cold. The cold water wakes me up again. After my shower, I make a cup of coffee. My cup of coffee wakes me up more. With my coffee, I study. I study. What do I study? Japanese. I am studying Japanese because I want to speak Japanese. I study Japanese for roughly 1 hour in the morning. After I finish studying Japanese, I make breakfast. Breakfast is a meal you eat in the morning, not lunch, which is in the afternoon, and not dinner, which is in the evening. No, breakfast is eaten in the morning. For breakfast, I make porridge. What is porridge? Porridge is made from porridge oats. Porridge is made from porridge oats. I love porridge which is made from porridge oats grown in Scotland, which is where I live. To make porridge, first put your porridge oats into a bowl. Then add water to the bowl. Hot water? No. Cold water. Then put your porridge into the microwave for roughly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out your porridge and eat. Tastes really good. So, this is my morning routine. What is your morning routine? Thank you for listening and watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.